Hey, we got company over here. Look at this. My brother's here.
Woo!
He's coming over just to try his trains on my track that hasn't been used like forever, and it's terribly dirty. I've got to clean it up. But he's going to just run that. Oh, CP rail.
It's not real, right?
Nope. No. So, oh, look, you got a light? Look at that. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this video. Today, we are going to get, there's a layout behind you, and there's one here. We're going to get them both back in operating order because when I got the new furnace, or prior to that, let's take a peek over here. All this black soot came from the old furnace, and it's just made a mess of everything. So I've got to clean all that up. But I have big plans for the two layouts. This one did not get affected by the furnace with the soot blowing all over the place. So that was really a blessing. Oh, and by the way, thank you so much for the comments and the well wishes and the prayers for my double pneumonia and flu A. Oh man, that was a killer. And then on top of that, the two total knee replacements that I've had done in the past couple of months. It's so I'm finally feeling like I can move around. So the chairlift or the ski lift, the gondola lift, is no more as was. It's going to be yet again. I had referenced Thomas Edison and his more what he learned was 1,000 ways not to make a light bulb. So this is like number 5 of my new effort. I've ordered a smaller engine, a smaller motor, electric motor, instead of this beast that I had, and all of the huge workings that were just such overkill. Only because I didn't know what I was doing, and I still don't know a lot of what I'm doing, but I'm going to have fun trying. I think it's going to be a pretty cool thing. That'll be coming out in another video. For today, though, I'm just getting back into the shop, and so I'm going to neaten everything up, clean it up, both of them. And my intent, it won't be in this video, in another video coming up. I'm going to join the two layouts together. And I've bought a power pack that will run, it'll run, Tom the Toolman Taylor, it'll run like whatever I need it to run. And it's super powerful. It's the #1 rated power pack that I could find. It has, I can't even remember the details. I'll go over that when I get to putting the two together. So for now, I want to go over on that one and take the vacuum to it and get all that soot and dirt and stuff off and see if the train will even run around because it's just so dirty. I'll probably have to clean the locos because it's just dirty. So let's go over there and take a look at it. This had become a catch-all to catch all for when we changed the furnace because it was such a dramatic incident in the shop. So I'm just going to clear this off. I don't know if my whistle even works. Oh, it does. Move that out of the way. Time to vacuum. So I have a 91% isopropyl alcohol, and I'm just using a paper towel, getting it really wet. Boy, that furnace is so much quieter than my old one. Oh, it's so dirty. This is set here for, well, it got moved a few times, but it hasn't been, nothing really run on it for 2 or 3 months, so it's really, really bad. So this train loco, it goes. I want to clean off the wheels, so I'm going to, somebody told me, my brother told me a little trick. Let's see how this works. I mean, look how dirty this track is. It's kind of almost discouraging. What do you think? Is it going to blow up? Okay. Go just beyond there now. Just so I can get those rear wheels. I'm going to just see if it'll go all the way around. Nope. And it's a long ways to reach. After much effort, finally got it so it goes all the way around. I'll switch this one. So that loco is finally working well. The other two were really carboned up with stuff. So I'm going to try one of those now, see if I can get those going well. Okay, I have this one on, this has 2 tracks on this layout, 2 separate ones. They're both DC, not DCC. So let's see if this one will go. If it will, I'm just going to let it run full speed just to get the track cleaned off. If I make it around once, I'll go back over to the other track and see if I can get another loco going. Come on, you can do it. Okay, over to the other loco, or other layout. We'll start with this one. I'm terrible at setting trains on. These are supposed to, the easy track or whatever they call them, supposed to make it easy. There we go. All right. Okay, I'm going to switch this one. If this one makes it all the way around, I'll take this one over to the second track on the other one, on the other layout, and then I'll get this third loco working. Whoa, hit something there. How did that? Ledge. That reminds me, all the ledge I brought in from, it was beside the road. There's probably over 50 pounds of ledge that I've put on here. It really, it gives it some realism. Okay, so now this is on the outer track. I haven't been around all the way around to this for quite a while. All right, what's going on there? I'll leave it full throttle. Seems like it was bothering over here. Yep, there we go. Come on, come on. Almost. One more time. Then I'll go over and do the third loco. That'll be kind of like a big accomplishment, because then I know I'm ready to, at some point soon, connect both layouts. Come on. There we go. Okay, time for the third loco. I doused those in the alcohol quite a bit. One of these three locos wasn't even working. Oh, it's jumping, it wants to. There we go. Okay, so that one hadn't run. This one had completely stopped working over on the other layout. Come on out. Come on out. Ah! Don't get stuck in there. Okay. Okay, I got it through there. I had to go in and pull it through. Come on. There. Oh, almost. I want to get through that tunnel at least once. Stops right there for some reason. So here, I just sit here waiting. Well, this one is not going smoothly. I'll have to keep working on that, but it's not going to stop me from joining this layout to that one. That should be a really significant time. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. I'll keep cleaning those wheels. Anyway, this is just a short little video of getting the two layouts going again after over a month, I would say. Oh, you gonna come out of there? Oh, it made it good. Boy, it's really chattering. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hey, leave a comment if you got any thoughts, and we'll get this thing going and do a bang up job. So hit the like button too, and if you're not a subscriber, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe. Thanks a lot. See ya.